Hello ladies and gents, I am Jaylyn Renee. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a tutorial on this dark but pretty green. I'm feeling like some emerald green vibes from this look. I really have been feeling the smoky eye. As I said last week, I just been seeing girls kill smoky eyes in so many different ways, using so many different techniques. So I just had to join the train. I actually am probably gonna do smoky eyes this entire month. So I hope you guys don't get bored with my smoky eyes. But what I like about the smoky eye is there's so many different ways to do it. But this smoky eye in particular is really like a deep, dark, blown out smoky eye. And you have to be really careful with it. If you place too much of one color or place the colors in the wrong place, if you layer the colors wrong, your eye is just gonna go all crazy. You're gonna look like a raccoon and it's just gonna be all bad. Okay, so definitely with these looks, especially the ones that I'm going to be doing today and for, you have to be really careful with the placement of your shadows. So let's get into what we got going on today. I just love this look. Definitely a nighttime look. This is not a daytime face. At least in my opinion, this is not a face that I would create for the daytime. It's definitely giving me nighttime vibes. Maybe a dinner party, maybe a dinner date, going out with your girls. Definitely nighttime vibes. It's like bringing your alter ego out, okay, with this vibe. But I really like it. I'm loving the base. The base is flawless. If you're not a part of the JLUXE gang yet, make sure you subscribe right down here. There's a red button. Just click it. It's really easy to click. And also right next to it, there is a post notification bell. That way, if I upload, you will never ever miss an upload, because we're going to get these smoky eyes together for the holidays, okay? But one thing about being a part of the JLUXE gang is that every single makeup video, I will be adding a makeup product to our must-have list. So down in the description box, there is going to be a list of must-have pickups for makeup that you have to have. Like, there's no ifs or ands or buts. You have to have it a part of your collection. So every video moving forward, I will have one product or more that I will feature in the video that I'm adding to that list. So the product that I'm adding today is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I just absolutely love it. Yes, that is what I have on my face today. And in the video, I'll explain a little bit more about why I have added this baby to the JLUXE gang must-have. So again, if you are not a JLUXE gang member, make sure you click that subscribe button so you can become a part of our gang or a part of our family, however you want to say it, okay? Thinking about trying to get into this smoky eye, this type of really blown out and really deep and darkened, make sure you follow step by step. I'm going to try my best to explain it extremely thoroughly. And guys, don't be afraid if you have to start over. I've had to start over. Actually, I started this video over because I was going one way and I was like, I don't want to go that way. So don't be afraid if you need to start over. And just let me warn you, it's going to look crazy at first because you're putting so many deep dark shades on your eye. But eventually, if you're blending it correctly and if you're layering it correctly, it will turn out to be what you want. So I'm not going to continue blabbing it. I actually do want to try a gloss on top of this matte, but I don't know, guys. I feel like I always do a gloss. So I might just leave it matte for today, but and I might just show you guys in my slow-mos or at the end with some gloss added. So let's get into the video. I will see you at the end. Bye. Okay guys, as always, brows are already done, and I'm going to go ahead and go into my Warrior 2 palette, and I'm going to be using the two browns out of there. I really love these two browns. They're great for transition shades. So the first one I'm going in is called Udit. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I'm sorry if I am not pronouncing that correctly. And then I'm going to go in with the second one that's a little bit darker, and it's the Kufori. If I'm not pronouncing it right, I'm sorry. It will be listed down below in the description box. Next, I'm diving into my 35C Everyday Chick palette by Morphe, and I'm going to be taking this matte emerald dark green. It's called Just Perfect, and I'm going to be layering that right on top of those transition shades. So the key to these dark, deep, smoky eyes is the layering. So you want to make sure you're taking your time with layering and also positioning the shades in the right place. Now with this particular smoky eye, I'm just playing it off of my eye shape. So depending on your eye shape, that's where you will lay the particular shades. If you have the same eye shape as myself, definitely doing this type of placement will work just fine. It'll give you that blown out smoky look, more so on the ends of your eyes and less in the inside of your eye, if that makes sense. But yeah, again, as you can see, I'm focusing this green around the eye. Next, I'm going to take RSVP Yes out of that same palette, and I'm taking this flat fluffy brush, and I'm just going to start packing that right on the lid where I have yet to put any shadow. So I'm going to focus this first in the middle, and then eventually I'm going to go all over my lid because I've already laid a base, which was that Just Perfect. And so this is just going to create an even better gradient effect on my lid. So I'm pretty much done with the eye, but now I'm just going to take my time to go back in and fill in any places that I needed filled in. For example, the smoked out part, you want to make sure it's smoked out and blended very well. We want to avoid looking like a raccoon at all cost, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and take some mascara. This is by Urban Decay. I really love it. I need to pick up the full size bottle, and I'm taking these lashes by Nakia the Kalo XO. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. I found this young lady on Instagram, and she is just a gem. She's so sweet. I love her lashes. I think I ordered like 2 pair of her lashes, and I'm definitely going to be ordering more. But these lashes of hers is in the style Capricorn, and I will have her Instagram link down below. So time for complexion. I'm taking my Morphe loose setting powder in the color Rich. You guys already know this is one of my favorites. And I'm just priming / prepping my face for foundation. Okay guys, so I just wanted to quickly hop on and talk about this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I am going to be adding it to the JLUXE Gang makeup must-haves, but guys, this foundation is absolutely amazing. It is extremely affordable, and it's just great. It is full coverage. It is full coverage, so it's going to give you that same finish and coverage as a high-end foundation. So I would definitely recommend having this in your collection, especially if it's just one of those days where you want to really beat your face but you're not going anywhere. So instead of using your $40, $50 foundation, you can just grab your $15 foundation and get the exact same look. So again, I'm going to be adding this to the JLUXE Gang makeup must-have, and it will be listed down below in the description box. Also guys, if you did not know, I have all of my foundation shades listed down in my description box. So if you have the similar skin tone as myself, then you can kind of get an idea of the shades that I do wear in different foundations. So let's go ahead and move on to complexion. The formula for this foundation does cause the foundation to apply a little bit orange and a little bit darker than the actual shade. One thing I noticed with higher end foundations, most of the ones that I have anyway, they always apply oranger and darker at first, and then they oxidize. So when I realized that this foundation did that, I was already impressed because I knew that the formula was mimicking a high-end foundation. Next, I'm taking the concealer in Warm Honey. This is the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. I really don't have any complaints about this concealer. I really do like it. I just wish I got a color just a tad bit deeper, but this actually works perfect with this specific look because I am going bolder, so I do need that like snatched face. But on an everyday purpose, I am going to pick up a shade that's a little bit darker than this. To set my concealer in my face, I'm taking the Morphe's loose setting powder in the color Banana Rich. Now, I do have the Can't Stop Won't Stop powder. I believe I have it in the color medium, but I do not like the formula of that powder. For some reason, when I apply it, it leaves like this glistening type of effect on my face. I'm not sure why it does that. The color doesn't bother me too much. It's just the formula that bothers me. So I didn't want to use it today, and I don't really recommend it, to be honest. So you guys know I'm in love with my Morphe 8D complexion palette. So I'm taking the bronzer shade in that, and guys, I have not used this bronzer shade, and I was like shocked. This bronzer shade is everything and more. I also really love this Real Techniques brush. It's kind of like shaped in an oval shape, so it applies perfectly for contouring. And then I'm going to go ahead and take that orange shade and that brown shade in the same palette and use that for blush. This Colored Rain highlighter is so bomb. I was scared of it at first, but it works perfectly. I will have the exact shade name listed down below in the description box because I don't have it in front of me. So to complete the eye, I'm just going back into my Everyday Girl palette, and I'm taking Just Perfect and applying that on my eyeline. And I'm also going to take RSVP Yes and put that towards the middle. And then I'm taking Have a Moment right into my inner corner. Of course, I'm using my Morphe Continuous Mattifying Spray to go ahead and set my face. And then for a lippy, I'm taking one of my favorite matte browns. It's the Taylor Andrea Cosmetics matte brown, and I'm just taking that and lining my lips. And then I'm gonna go in, I'm sorry guys, woo, I'm out of breath. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline lipstick in the color 650, and then I'm taking my NYX Lingerie lippy in the color Baby Doll, and I'm just putting that right on top. And here is face. I love it. It's definitely giving me holiday dinner, holiday date night vibes. Like, it's so gorgeous. I'm loving this green. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do so down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.